Here is a comparison between Fellow Browser and Chrome. For Fellow Browser, it is actually says that it is the world's first agent browser because there is an AI when you are using this browser. It means this is just like having a prompts or doing prompts on a browser. On the other hand, Chrome is a built-in browser on your phone. So, for example, you have a newly bought phone, then the browser or Chrome is already available on your device. Now, here's a table for concise comparison. For core function, Fellow Browser has a productivity powerhouse, while Google Chrome has a traditional web navigation. So this is passive on display of web, while Fellow Browser is an AI automation. For workflow, Fellow Browser automates multi-step tasks and create report from LinkedIn, while Google Chrome requires manual clicking. For key capability, Fellow Browser is deep action technology, while Google Chrome is web browsing speed and stability. Now, if you want a browser with AI automation, then Fellow Browser is the good one for you. But if you want a more traditional web browser, then Chrome is the good one for you.